Okay guys, so as y'all can see, we're in a trade. We're in a buy on the GBP USD. Why did I buy GBP USD? Well, as you guys can see, this resistance got broken last night and I entered at the retest. Not only at the retest, we had another confirmation, which was the market rejecting off of 61.8. As y'all can see right here, this one is 61.8 zone. So there we go. Just a couple of minutes left. It's actually 6 minutes, only 6 minutes left. So we're gonna see how this trade goes. Okay guys, the news just came out. Let's go ahead and check the numbers on Forex Factory. Let's just go ahead and refresh this. Okay, so that's for the CAD. For the USD, nothing has come out yet. It's 3:30 p.m. You can see 3:30 p.m. non-farm employment change for the USD as well. So I'm just waiting for that. So far, nothing crazy. The actual results have not been posted yet. Only the data for CAD has come out yet. The USD, nothing. Market's just, pretty stable. Okay, so there we have it. Actually, I'm gonna show you guys like this. Pretty good for a thumbnail, yeah. Okay, there we go. We have notification, United States unemployment rate. Okay, so far the market's falling, not actually going up. And yeah, the market just fell by like, I don't know how many pips. Let's go and check that. Yeah, the market fell. Wow, market fell by like 23 pips. So does this mean that the USD just got stronger? I don't know. Let's go down to the 15-minute time frame. Well, I guess it's pretty normal, right? In the beginning, the market does the opposite and then takes off, something like that, right? I don't know. We'll see though. The market might come for the stop loss, stop hunt. So that's a pretty big drop, I would say. Let's wait and see what happens. Okay guys, so it's actually more than half an hour past the NFP event that just happened, and I closed out the trade in about 40 pips in profit. So nice little 2-to-1, not bad. My original target, as you could see in the video earlier, was around 70 pips, but you can't get greedy in this market, and I didn't want to risk it because, as you all can see, the results came out actually better than expected. I was expecting the results to get better, but these results, I'm pretty sure, just shocked a lot of people. Okay, and because with all the stuff going on in the United States right now, the riots and everything, everybody was expecting these numbers to be red, but turned out green, and everything just, changed for a moment. I want to show y'all what impact it had on gold. Look at this. Gold fell by almost 300 pips. Yeah, it fell almost by 300 pips just today, and in that one move it fell by 230 pips. So that was insane, and many other pairs were affected as well. As you can see, Euro fell, USD CHF just flew, AD USD, nothing crazy as well. USD CAD, what happened? Oh, it fell. Anyways, because there were news for USD and CAD both. So why did I close this trade? Well, over here in profit because the market was struggling to go beyond this point. Let me just show you the results, because if you don't show the results on YouTube, apparently you're lying. Okay, so there you go. About 40 pips in profit. Was a small account. I was over leveraging my account, didn't really want to risk it, but nice little profit. I was in 50 pips in profit when the video started, but it is what it is. Okay, it doesn't matter. So a perfect little trade. Now, why did I take this trade? Well, first of all, the market had this resistance. Let me just go ahead and delete everything. So the market last night had a resistance over here. Okay, the market was struggling to break through, and we had a resistance here as well. So the market was making higher highs. Market broke through this last night. Now, if you've been on my channel for a long time, you know that we don't chase these movements. Okay, let the market do its thing. Let the market retrace back. Not only that, it's retesting the structure. It broke. So we're gonna pull out our Fibonacci, start at where the push to the upside started. So right here, and we're gonna end it where the push ended. Okay, so right there. Now, what do you guys see? The 61.8 lines up perfectly with the resistance, which is now going to be acting as a support. So once it rejected, second time it rejected, the third time it came back, that's when I entered for a long position. So we had I would say we had two perfect confirmations on this trade, and my stop loss was around here, just below this previous low, so around 20 pips. My stop loss was right there, and my take profit will always be at the previous high if I'm in a buy, right? Which in this case was around 60, 65. Yeah. So nice little 3 to 1 in the beginning, but I took my 40 pips of profit right here, making it a 2 to 1, still a pretty good trade. Now, why did I get out is because the USD, as y'all could see, gained a little bit of strength, and I didn't want to risk, like I said, this whole pretty nice movement, pretty simple setup. Of course, the market can go for a lot more. That's not the point. Always in my videos, I'm telling you guys that the point is you take what the market gives you and you get out of the market. If it was a bigger account, I would have been a little bit more patient, but like I said, I don't want to risk it because it's a small account. I'm still trying to grow it. Nonetheless, really good trade, really good experience with the NFP for the first time. And yeah, that's all. Just break and retest off a previous structure and retracement on the Fibonacci 61.8 zone, which is one of the most powerful zones in Fibonacci. 61.8 and 78.6. So I hope y'all get some motivation from this. I hope y'all learn something from this. And I'll make a new video about scalping using the same strategy. So look forward to that. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.